With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked to discuss the process of digestion of starch, right? So basically the digestion of starch starts in human beings from the mouth itself, right? From the mouth itself, right? So in our mouth there are certain glands are present, that's basically known as the salivary gland, right? That releases an enzyme, that is the salivary amylase. So the food that we eat, right, it gets mixed with the saliva that's produced by the salivary gland, and that saliva consists an enzyme salivary amylase. So what does it do? It basically brings down the breakdown of starch in the mouth, right? So the breakdown of starch starts in the mouth itself, and this step of digestion is basically known as the chemical digestion. Now the starch is partially digested here in the mouth, then when the food moves through the esophagus into the stomach, so in the stomach only the digestion of protein takes place, right? Then from the stomach the food moves to the small intestine, right? So the small intestine, it basically receives the secretion of two glands, that's the pancreas and the liver, right? So the secretions of the right so basically the secretions of the pancreas, right? Secretions of the pancreas, that basically known as the pancreatic juice, right? That's basically known as the pancreatic juice. It basically consists of three components, three enzymes, that the enzyme trypsin, lipase, and the amylase. So out of these three enzymes, the pancreatic juice has the enzyme amylase that basically brings down the further, right? That further brings down the breakdown of starch, right? So amylase here carries out the further digestion of the starch. Now the starch is also digested here, right? Now the left out starch which is not digested, right, remaining sugar or the remaining carbohydrates, right, remaining carbohydrate, they gets converted or broken down into glucose, right, in the small intestine, because the as the small intestine, it secretes the intestinal juice, right? It secretes the intestinal juice that basically contain the enzyme that basically brings about this final digestion of carbohydrate into the glucose, right? So basically this is how the complete digestion of starch takes place in the human alimentary canal, right?
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.